welcome to the Kids Educational Channel. Today's topic is about plants. Plants are the living organisms like us. We are using only 2,000 species of plants to make food. Plant provides us food, wood, shelter, medicine, and also it makes us to breathe, like it gives us oxygen. Plants kingdom is divided into two types. They are non-flowering and flowering. Non-flowering are algae and mosses. Flowering plants are rose, apple, pear, trees. And plants are categorized into two systems. Shoot system is above the soil and root system is under the soil. Root system. Root system contains the one part called root. Main root, secondary root, tertiary root, and the root hairs, and the root tip and the root cap, and the zone of elongation, and the mesmermatic zone, and then the stem. Now stem carries a lot of parts on the shoot system. They are fruit, leaf stalk, seed, node, which is a new branch, and the internode means there are two nodes in the space between them are called internode. And then a bud, then the leaf, and then a flower. Let's learn about the root system. First, main root, then it grows to the secondary root, then the tertiary root, then the root hairs, and then the root tip and the root cap. The root cap protects the root tip. And the meristematic zone. This zone has newly cells formed here. And then a zone of elongation. Cells become long in this zone. And the root system has two functions. They are, it anchors a plant. And then the main root transfers the water and the minerals to the stem, and then those water and minerals transfers to different parts of the plant. Let's learn about stem. Stem has two vessels. They are xylem and phloem. Xylem does different activity and phloem does different activity. Let's learn about xylem first. Xylem transports water and minerals. It has only one way. It goes only up. Now phloem. Phloem transports water and food. And it has a two-way. It goes up or down. And xylem has no end walls, and phloem has cell end walls. Cells have end walls. Now cross section of a tree of a trunk. If you cut in half of the trunk of a tree, you'll see like these. First layer of the trunk is bark. Bark is a hard surface. It also makes it decreases the water evaporation from the cambium. Next, cambium. Now cambium has layers of cells in its thickness. And then sapwood. It transports water and minerals. It transports water and minerals from the roots to the leaves. Next, heartwood. Heartwood gives the strength to the tree. Next, the pith. Pith stores water, minerals, and food, what it needs. Let's learn about fruit. Let's learn about the layers of them. First, exocarp. It's the outer layer. Outer skin. The mesocarp. It's the inner skin. And the endocarp. It's the inner boundary around the seed. These are the seeds. Let's learn about seeds. Okay. Now the outer layer of the seed is called the seed coat. And then deep inside, like in the middle of it, it's called food storage. Food is storage there. And this is called embryo. And it's a baby plant. If you put it in the soil, it'll come like this. I'll put fenugreek seeds. Let's learn about leaf. Firstly, we'll learn about leaf parts. First, stipulate, then petiole, then the base, then the veins, and then the apex, and the margin, and the midrib. On the leaf cells, chloroplast is there. Chloroplast contains chlorophyll. And when sunrises comes up, the leaf takes the energy, and it takes the carbon dioxide from the air, and this is called photosynthesis, and it releases oxygen and food, and it transports different parts of the plant. Let's learn about flower. Flower is the most attractive part in the plant. They're so beautiful. Let's learn the flower parts. They are petal, sepal, stamen, and pistil. And did you know there are two types of flowers? They are monosection and bisection. Monosection they have only stamen or pistil there. And bisection has pistil and stamen. Flower attracts pollinators like bees, birds. And what they do is they take the pollen grains and put it on the pistil. And then the pollen grains come to the ovary, and then the seed forms, and the ovary swells, and then becomes a fruit. Thank you for watching my plant video.